GitLab for Confluence Cloud by Move Work Forward provides a convenient and easy way for you to keep on top of GitLab projects, issues, and merge requests directly from Confluence, making it easy for you and your colleagues to keep on top of important development progress. Try it for free and see how GitLab for Confluence Cloud can help you move work forward. To get things set up, first we need to install the app. From your Confluence, go to Find New Apps, and then from here, search for GitLab for Confluence. Then select GitLab for Confluence by Move Work Forward. Now we are going to click on Try It Free, and then Start Free Trial. And as we can see, it's currently being added, and it may take a moment or two to add. Okay, so as we can see, it's now been added, so we can click on Configure to get things set up. So to get things set up, we need our personal access token from GitLab. So we will pop into GitLab. We will go to our Preferences, and then we will click on Access Tokens. So we will create a new token. Provide a suitable expiration date, and use the Read API scope of access. And we will create that token, and we will copy it. So now we will paste that in, and we will save. And now the configuration has been set up. Now let's jump into Confluence and see how it works. So here we have a Confluence page that currently has projects, issues, and merge requests. So we'll click on Edit a Page and jump in. Now there's no configuration required, so if we jump into the macro, all we will see is the GitLab link. So if we want to add another project, we just jump into GitLab and copy the URL for the project in question. We can paste it in, and the information will load almost instantly. We can do the same for issues. Just copy the URL and paste. And we can do the same again for merge requests. Again, just copy the URL and paste it into your Confluence page. So as you can see, the new project, the new issue, and the new merge request have been listed with all the relevant information. So we can just update our page. And we can see the information here. And that's it. It really is incredibly simple and straightforward to use, but provides a great tool for keeping track of development tasks and collaborating with stakeholders.